So I figured actually last time I tried my bulbs that there was something wrong. So these are brand new ones that I got from Amazon, and the thumbnail tells you which ones they are, and these are much better. And so the problem I was seeing was that you weren't getting dazzling, and there was a nice clear line here on the left where you can see the outline isn't going to dazzle oncoming drivers, and you did get some reasonable brightness down here at the bottom right, but you had black spots in the middle, and so figured something was wrong. So basically there wasn't anything wrong with the bulbs, but within my headlight housing they weren't aligned very well for where the old halogen or incandescent, I think, bulbs were, and therefore the beams of light they were putting out won't get reflected onto the road very well. So I've swapped out those bulbs and put them in the full beam lights. Now the full beam lights are very bright, so this was the original bulbs that I had in the headlights, or original swapped ones, and so there's nothing wrong with their brightness. They work really well, but they weren't aligned very well, and that's the crucial thing for it being useful to have them and safe. And so I got some different ones that are pictured in the thumbnail, and they appear to be working very well. So this is extremely bright, or as far as I'm concerned, extremely bright. These I think they're called like Sino, not quite sinoatrial, but something like that, bulbs, and they claim 10,000 lumens of light. Don't know about that, but they are very bright. They are much better than the original bulbs. They're much better than the other LEDs that I tried, and are working amazingly. So really happy with that. You've just got to get ones that fit really well into your headlight, and managed to do that this time, but it is a bit hit and miss. So be careful what you buy. These are only like 30 quid, so they're not amazingly expensive, and they should last really well, so fingers crossed. Let me know what you think. Do you think these look safe? Do you think these look a lot brighter? And the full headlights, I've never had anything as bright as this in a car, so I'm really pleased with them, and all it has cost me is like 30 quid twice, so really pleased with that. Whereas replacing the whole housing, the whole reflective cabinet for an LED sort of cabinet to hold the lights properly, which will be the legal way you did it, that would be like 500 quid. So that's less of a goer, whereas 60 quid is more of a goer. So let me know what you think.